Hey, so I noticed that online there's quite a bit of people that are wondering how to access their credit report with Experian after they've been locked out. Their account is frozen, so they can't access their credit. They don't remember the PIN, as well as they don't remember the security question that they set up. So I just had dealt with this. So I wanted to share how to actually uh, jump all of the loops of calling and what you need to in order to get your Experian account back open. it was it was kind of frustrating for me, so I wanted to definitely make a video for this, and I'm gonna help to post this on YouTube. So this is gonna be a short video. So, but how you guys go about it is you create a new account. Creating a new account using your social security number will link to the old account. So for some reason, through the process of not being able to access your account and it being frozen, everything that is incorrect is going to be discarded, but your account is going to continue to be there. So when you create a new account, you're going to have a new phone number, and your email address is also going to be taken into account for that, and everything will be updated within the new account. So you're going to have to basically have to update everything because they're going to verify your email. They're also going to verify your phone number. So that's the best way to do it. It'll definitely help without any of the numbers that you had to do or had to call in order to speak to someone. That part is like the most headache part. You never reach anybody, and if you do, they're gonna try to send you through loops where, oh, I can't really help you, I can't really do this, I can't do that. So once you get in, you have to update all of uh, your addresses and all the information that's incorrect. So you're gonna have to like weed through it all to make sure that it's correct. But hope this helps. Like, comment, subscribe. This video number 2. All right, you guys have a good one.